Brace yourself. Mr. Tech is back, unveiling the fastest automatic woodworking machines and the most powerful custom-built chainsaws. This is pure engineering brilliance. Get ready to witness the future of woodworking like never before. Meet this powerhouse device. It precisely cuts wood into ideal sizes for gasification, creating a reliable fuel source for vehicles. No hassle, no waste, just clean, sustainable energy at your fingertips. And the best part, it's designed with safety in mind, so you get top performance without the risk.
Померил, а это на 65.
Turning scrap metal into a powerful electric wood chipper with a flywheel system. This is a true testament to creativity, sustainability, and pure mechanical strength. Built entirely from discarded materials, it effortlessly shreds branches into mulch. A breakthrough in recycling, proving that waste can be transformed into something truly valuable.
I got a log in there. It's about 6 foot. I'm only going to be...
Wow, check out this homemade saw. Built from an old golf cart with a powerful 7.457 kilowatt engine. This isn't just a DIY project, it's an engineering marvel. The way it runs so smoothly, slicing through wood like a pro tool, is seriously impressive. This isn't just creativity, it's creativity with serious power.
With it, the accuracy, I'm gonna get this.
What if I told you that 2 days of work could give you warmth for an entire winter? With this homemade wood chipper, you're not just cleaning up your yard, you're turning waste into wealth. It's the perfect combination of productivity and sustainability, giving you the power to transform fallen branches into a reliable fuel source.
Оставайтеся з нами, ми покажемо, як ми його розгрузимо.
Let me let you in on a little secret. In the woodworking industry, size really does matter. And that's exactly why the LT40 wide is making waves. Imagine slicing through massive 40-inch logs with ease and precision. This isn't just any sawmill. It's a game changer for businesses that need power and reliability. The woodworking industry just leveled up. This cutting-edge firewood saw delivers on all fronts, automatically slicing meter-long logs into uniform 33-centimeter sections with precision. Its output reaches up to 15 steer per hour, setting a benchmark for high performance. With an integrated towing bar and mobile frame, transportation is seamless. Plus, adjustable speed control allows for optimized workflow. The FAM 400 delivers a 2 to 6 second work cycle, seamlessly handling logs up to 1 meter long with an electronic cutting adjustment system. No downtime needed. It even integrates direct packaging, streamlining biomass and fuel production. High automation, reduced labor costs, and maximum output. This is next-level productivity. This is one of the most finely crafted devices I've ever seen. With its precise design and user-friendly build, it features a carefully engineered blade mechanism that ensures clean, effortless cuts. The placement of the blade on the moving part enhances accuracy when splitting. This is not for the faint of heart. Two 700mm carbide blades spinning at terrifying speed, just inches away from my hands. The power is intoxicating, but the danger? It's real. One wrong move, and this machine could tear through more than just wood. Imagine sitting comfortably inside your Kubota 2.5-ton excavator, effortlessly splitting firewood without breaking a sweat. The mini log splitter takes safety and efficiency to a whole new level. No more back-breaking labor, no more flying debris, just smooth, controlled power right at your fingertips. Meet your new best friend, the Roughneck Manual Log Splitter. It's light enough to use effortlessly, but tough enough for any job. Plus, the sliding hammer mechanism doesn't just make splitting easier, it makes it safer. No more risky axe swings or stray wood chips flying at your face. With an industrial-grade motor and precision-engineered blades, this machine is built for performance. It handles even the toughest branches effortlessly, turning them into fine wood chips in record time. Its intuitive design makes it accessible for beginners while still offering the power professionals demand. That's exactly what this guy has mastered. Using his custom-built wood processor, crafted from scrap metal, he's found an affordable and efficient way to split wood. While the setup is undeniably effective, it does seem a bit bulky, which might make transportation a challenge.
And there you go.
push down, get started, and then
Yep, that's right. The wall-mounted firewood maker lets you split logs faster, safer, and with way less effort. Just mount it, press down, and watch it do the work for you. No more sore muscles, no more wasted time. And guess what? It's only $89. Sounds almost too good to be true, right? This beast is so powerful, it can split wood in 6 directions at once. Equipped with a rock-solid CAT 299D CTL engine, it's built for peak performance. But wait, did you notice that 1.5-inch bar bending under pressure? That could be a sign we need more testing. Are we on the verge of upgrading an already impressive design? Meet the AMR HV log splitter, built to take on logs up to 55 centimeters long and 40 centimeters wide with a force of 9 to 12 tons. What makes it special? It works both vertically and horizontally, adapts to your needs, and has inflatable wheels so you can roll it wherever you want. Safety first. I used to struggle with pruning. Every time I finished, my hands were exhausted. Then I found this tool. The first time I tried it, I couldn't believe how smoothly it cut through branches. It's designed to make cutting faster and easier. If you love gardening but hate the fatigue, this is the tool you've been missing. Engineered for efficiency, this cone log splitter applies controlled force to split wood effortlessly. Its spiral design ensures even the hardest logs crack cleanly with minimal waste. Built for durability and precision, this tool enhances workflow, making it an essential choice for professionals and homeowners alike. This homemade firewood saw, mounted on a tractor, is running its first test, and it's already proving its strength. With the ability to cut logs up to 50 centimeters long, this beast turns back-breaking work into a smooth, effortless process. Efficiency, precision, and brute force? What more could you want in a wood-cutting machine? Compact and handy engines or machines are always my top choice because I can take them anywhere I want. Whether I'm chopping wood in the backyard or out in the woods, it's never a problem. This isn't an electric or gas-powered log splitter, it's a manual one, perfect for those who want to take control of their firewood supply at home, especially during power outages or when fuel runs out. It's easy to use and gets the job done, but since it's manual, it's a bit slower and requires some patience. But with this homemade wood processor, you take the risk out of the equation. The winch does the heavy lifting, sparing you from strain or potential injuries. Still, reaching for the control panel might cause discomfort. Lowering it would make the whole process smoother and safer. Norwood Lumbermate LM30, a powerful portable sawmill. Designed for precision, durability, and top performance, the LM30 makes turning logs into high-quality lumber easy. With a sturdy frame and multiple powerful engine options, it's built to handle the job. Whether you're making furniture or building a log cabin, the LM30 is the reliable partner you can count on.
Ztrátový olej. No a jdeme řezat. Bohužel zase v tento den jsem měla...
You have only one electric saw and an idea, but you're turning it into a smart wood holding tool. A V-shaped stand with a drop-in tooth pin to secure the log. Simple yet highly effective. No need for complex tools. With creativity and some skill, you're transforming a manual task into a brilliant solution.
Motorem takzvaně od kozy, což znamená, že můžete si i všimnout, že by se tam do té kozy dalo dát toho o mnoho víc. Pak byste použili větší pilu, to podrží ten hubcuk na místě, aby celku a hodíte do kolečka.
In the mid-1980s, I worked at a new shingle mill on an island in British Columbia. The three of us could cut a cedar shingle block in 6 hours and have it delivered to Washington. My friend's dad owned over 100 acres of old-growth forest. It took an entire summer to cut a single tree into shingles and shakes. The Arjas Raptor XXL is a state-of-the-art shredding solution, purpose-built for extreme material reduction. Its 710 horsepower Cat C18 engine ensures consistent performance, while the 3-meter tool shaft optimizes cutting efficiency. At 45 tons, this industrial-grade behemoth is engineered to handle the most demanding shredding applications with ease and reliability. With just a drill, you can easily split wood and chop firewood without breaking a sweat.
Yeah.
The Stovka is a specialized woodworking tool designed for precise, efficient cutting. Its sharp blade and ergonomic design minimize material waste while maximizing control. Whether crafting furniture or shaping raw lumber, mastering Stovka techniques ensures cleaner cuts and greater productivity. This design is an absolute game changer. No more hauling logs back and forth. Everything is automated for efficiency. Unlike traditional splitters that still require manual intervention, this one handles the process seamlessly. By splitting horizontally first, then vertically, it cuts down on power consumption significantly. This is pure manual labor, intense, risky, and demanding. Just one slip, and that heavy tool could strike his thigh in an instant. It's a reminder of the strength and precision required for such tasks. Imagine the level of focus needed to avoid injury. I'd be scared to get too close to these saw blades, even though they're not running. And having a number 4 wedge right away would be useful, unless that specific type of wood is needed. Also, the cutting speed is too slow compared to the splitting power. Log splitters are awesome, but the cutting part definitely needs improvement. This concludes our exploration of the intriguing world of homemade machines. We encourage you to share your feedback in the comments section and subscribe to our channel for future updates.